Welcome! In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your gender to female on Instagram using a PC. Instagram's layout has had a few updates recently, so if things look a little different from what you remember, don't worry. Just follow these simple steps and you'll have it done in no time. First, open your preferred browser and go to the Instagram website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on that to open up more options. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage different aspects of your profile. Next, look for the Edit Profile section and click on it. This is where you can update your personal information, including your name, bio, and other details tied to your account. As you scroll through the Edit Profile page, you'll see a field labeled Gender. Click on it, and you'll be given a few options to choose from. Select Female from the list. Once you've made your selection, don't forget the most important step, saving your changes. Scroll down if needed and click on the Submit button. This ensures that your updated gender is applied to your profile. And that's it. Your gender is now set to female on Instagram using the web version on your PC. It's a simple process once you know where everything is, even with the new layout. If this helped you out, you can always revisit these steps anytime you need to update your profile again.